kids. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to write all the objectives that we had learned in lesson number 1, that the topic was types of plants. Today we are going to write all the objectives related to it which are going to be asked in the exam. Okay, so let's start. Before that, I'll explain you that today we will write in the fair book. You have to write in the fair book. Today we are going to write the objectives, that is FB, that is filling the blanks, match the following, give 2 examples and give 1 word. So you take a pen and a book and sit with it. I will keep on telling you where and which to write. First of all, you have to give an heading. Lesson number 1, see from here you can copy. Lesson number 1, LESSON, lesson 1, types of plants. TYPES, types. of PLANTS, plants. Types of plants. Now, the first heading that you have to give is hard words. Today we are going to write 8 hard words. I'll tell you the pronunciation as well as the spelling. So, first heading you have to give, that is hard word, on the first page. That is HARD, hard, WARDS, hard words. So, now write 1. Now you have to start writing. Okay, I will tell you the pronunciation as well as the spelling. I will repeat it 2 times. Okay. TRUNK, trunk. TRUNK, trunk. Do you know what is trunk? Trunk is the strong and woody stem that is situated in the tree. What is trunk? TRUNK, trunk. That is, the strong and woody stems of trees are called trunks. Now, second is WOODY, woody. WOODY, woody. What is woody? The hard log that is in the trunk, that is known as woody. Now third spelling, that is STEMS, stems. STEMS, stems. What is stem? The green color part through which the other parts of the plant do get water and food is known as stem. Climber. Fourth spelling is climber. CLIMBER, climber. What is a climber? The plants which do not have strong stems and need a support of other things such as wall or stake, and they grow through the support, that is called climber. Creeper, the creeper. CREEPER, creeper. CREEPER, creeper. What is a creeper? The plants that grow along the ground are known as creeper. Now 6. Watermelon. WATER, water. MELON, watermelon. WATER, water. MELON, watermelon. Root. ROOT, root. ROOT, root. What is a root? The part of the plant which keeps it fixed to the ground is known as root. 8. And the last hard word, that is sunlight. SUN, sun. LIGHT, sunlight. SUN, sun. LIGHT, sunlight. What is sunlight? The light that we get from sun is known as sunlight. Now we are going to write filling the blanks. The first filling the blank is, first you have to give the heading on the next page. You have to write one thing on one page only. So now turn your page, write second thing, that is fill in the blanks. Given heading, fill in the blanks. Now we are going to write filling the blanks. What is the first filling the blank? TREES, trees. HAVE, have, trees have. STRONG, strong. AND, and. WOODY, woody. STEMS, stamps. CALLED, call. TRUNKS, trunks. Trees have strong and woody stems called trunks. Trees have strong and woody stems called trunks. TRUNKS, trunks. Second thing, second blank. PLANTS, plants. THAT, that. GROW, grow. ALONG, along. THE, the. GROUND, ground. ARE, CALLED, called. CREEPERS, creepers. CREEPERS, creepers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Third blank. FRUIT, fruit, is the part of the plant that has seeds. The fruit is the part of the plant that has seeds. We have seen, no, that tomato has yellow color seeds. That is, the tomato is a fruit and the seeds are of yellow color. Fruit is that part which has seeds. FRUIT, fruit, is IS, is THE, the PART, part. OF, the THE, the PLANT, plants. THAT, that. HAS, has. SEED, seeds. Fruit is the part of the plant that has seeds. The root, R-O-O-T, root, fixes the plant to the ground. R-O-O-T, root. T-H-E, the, R-O-O-T, root. F-I-X-E-S, fixes. T-H-E, the. P-L-A-N-T, to, T-O, T-H-E, the. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. The root fixes the plant to the ground. Fifth blank. G-R-E-E-N, green. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Green plants. M-A-K-E, may. T-H-E-I-R, there. O-W-N, on. F-O-O-D, food. Green plants make their own food. F-O-O-D, food. Now we will revise all the filling the blanks once again. Trees have strong and woody stems called trunks. Second, plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Fruit is the part of the plant that has seeds. The root fixes the plant to the ground. Fifth, green plants make their own food. Now moving on next. That is, give two examples. So, the first give two example is trees. The two examples of trees are M-A-N-G-O, mango, our favorite food, you know. Everybody likes mango, correct? You might have eaten in this summer also. M-A-N-G-O, mango. B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan. Trees. What are the two examples of trees? Mango and banyan. Mango, banyan. Mango, banyan. Second, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. What are the two examples of shrubs we had learned in the lesson, correct? That small plants. Which are they? Rose and hibiscus. R-O-S-E, rose. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Rose, hibiscus. Rose, hibiscus. Third one, herbs. Which are the herbs? The green color things that mom puts on our food, correct? Which are they? M-I-N-T, mint. C-O-R-A-I-N-D-E-R, coriander. Mint and coriander. Mint and coriander. The fourth one, climbers. Which are the climbers? The climbers are the plants which grow with the help or the support of other plants or stick, wall or anything. Which are that? Money plant and grapevine. What is the spelling of money plant? M-O-N-E-Y, money. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Money plant. M-O-N-E-Y, money. P-L-A-N-T, plant. What is the second one? Grapevine. G-R-A-P-E-V-I-N-E, grapevine. Which are the two climbers? money plant and grapevine. Now the fifth one. There are the creepers. Which are the creepers? Any guesses? Okay, the creepers are the plant with heavy fruits and very weak stems. Which are they? The two fruits that all the children like, no? Watermelon and strawberry. Which is that? Watermelon. What is the spelling of watermelon? W-A-T-E-R. Water. M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Creepers. Which are the two creepers? Watermelon and strawberry. Which are the two creepers? Watermelon and strawberry. So now we are going to revise it. Which are that? Trees. Which are that? Mango and banyan. Shrubs, rose and hibiscus. Herbs, mint and coriander. Climbers, money plant, grapevine. Creepers, watermelon and strawberry. Now we are going to move on. Match the following. Here see, I have direct written the answers, but in the exams this B portion might be in a different way and you have to find and match the answers. Okay, here I have written the direct answers. So the first question is trunk. What is the answer of trunk? Banyan. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. What is the answer? B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan. Now second one, hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus. What is the answer of hibiscus? S-H-R-U-B. Shrub. Hibiscus is a shrub. Third one, strawberry. What is a strawberry? Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. What is the answer of strawberry? Creeper. Strawberry is a creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R. Creeper. Now coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. What is a coriander? Coriander is a herb. H-E-R-B. Herb. Now what has seeds? Fruit has seeds. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. H-S has S-E-E-D. Seeds. Fruit has seeds. Now this may be asked in your exams also. So you have to write it as well as by heart it. Okay. Last but not the least, today we are going to write give one word. First give one word, that is the green part of plant that makes food. So tell me, which part of the part does make food? Leaf. That green color part, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. So the T-H-E, the G-R-E-E and green, P-A-R-T, part, O-F, of, P-L-A-N-T, plant, T-H-E-R-E, that makes food. MAKES makes. FOOD food. What is the answer? Leaf. LEAF leaf. Now second, THE the PART part. OF of THE the PLANT plant. THAT that HS has SEEDS seeds. The part of a plant that has seeds. Which part of the plant that has seeds? Which part contains fruit? Which is that part? Fruit. FRUIT fruit. Now next, the part of the plant that produces fruit. THE the PART part. OF of THE the PLANT plant that 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 produces fruits. Which part produces fruit? Flowers. FLOWERS flowers. Which part produces flowers? Now, the part of the plant that carries food to all the part. Which is the part that carries food to all the part? Stem. STEM stem. THE the PART part. OF of THE the PLANT plant. THAT that carries CARRIES carries. FOOD food. TO2 ALL all PART part. STEM stem. What is the answer? Stem. The part of the plant that fixes it to the ground. Which part of the plant that fixes it to the ground? Root. Correct. Which is that part? Root. Okay, these are the roots which helps to keep it fixed on the ground. THE the PART part. OF of THE the PLANT plant. THAT that FIXES fixes. IT it. TO2 THE the GROUND ground. What is the answer? ROOT root. So now we are revising. Give one word. What is the first give one word? THE the green part of the plant that makes food. Which part of the plant that makes food? Leaf. LEAF leaf. The part of the plant that has seeds. Which part of the plant has seeds? Fruit. FRUIT fruit. THE the part of the plant that produces fruit. Which part of the plant that produces fruit? Flowers. FLOWERS flowers. Fourth one, the part of the plant that carries food to all the part. Which part of the plant carries food to all part? Stem. STEM stem. Now fifth one, the part of the plant that fixes it to the ground. Which part of the plant fixes the plant to the ground? Root. ROOT root. So now I will make you do a revision, that is a quick revision. Okay, Uh, First hard word. Which is the first hard word? Now check your from first page. Check it from the first page. Okay. If you have written anything wrong, just correct it. Okay. The first is TRUNK, trunk. Second is WOODY, woody. Third is STEMS, stamps. Fourth is CLIMBER, climber. Fifth one, cripper, CREEPER, cripper. What is the sixth one? WATER, water. MELON, watermelon. Seventh one, ROOT, root. Eighth one, SUNLIGHT, sunlight. These are the hard words. Okay. Trunk, woody, stems, climber, cripper, watermelon, root, sunlight. Okay. Now next. Trees have strong and woody stems called dash. What will be the answer? TRUNKS, trunks. What is the second? FB? Plants that grow along the ground are called dash. What will be the answer? CREEPERS, crippers. Third one, FRUIT, fruit is the part of the plant that has seeds. Which part of the plant has seeds? Fruit. Now fourth one, the dash fixes the plant to the ground. Which part fixes to the ground? Root, ROOT, root. Fifth one, green plants make their own food. Which plants make their own food? Green plants, FOOD, food. Match the following. What is the answer of trunk? Trunk, banyan, hibiscus, shrub, strawberry, creeper, coriander, herb, fruit, has seeds. Once again, trunk, banyan, hibiscus, shrub, strawberry, creeper, coriander, herb, fruit, has seeds. Give two example. Trees, mango, banyan, shrubs, rose, hibiscus, hibiscus. Third, herbs, mint, coriander, coriander. Fourth one, climbers, money plant, grapevine. Fifth one, creepers, watermelon, strawberry. Give one word. The green part of the plant that makes food. Which is the part that makes food? Leaf, LEF, leaf. The part of the plant that has seeds. Fruit. The part of the plant that produces fruit. Flowers. The part of the plant that carries food to all parts. Stem. The part of the plant that fixes it to the ground. Root. Okay. So, we have completed this lesson's objectives. So, what we have to do? Today we will write in the fair book. After writing in the fair book, you have to read once because it might be asked in the exams. So, what you have to do? Firstly, write neatly in your fair book, and as soon as the school reopens, I will check your book. Okay. So, students, you have to write all things what I have made you write in the fair book. I am telling once again, in the fair book. And same thing will be homework for tomorrow. That is, you have to write one time hard words. If you have any difficulties related to this, you can ask me personally. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye. Goodbye. Have a nice day.